everybody. How's it going out there in VW Lifeland?
Everybody's all together finally today.
The boys are back in town. Oh,
Hail, the
I'm
gang's
so
all
sorry.
here.
I just yelled
We're
at
all
Martin's dad.
together. Here we are together. But first, we must go accomplish supper.
And we're gonna meet Tommy there. But today's a little bit different. We're working on something that we've had for a while. There's a video, we'll link it somewhere we got forever ago. The Fastback.
Ta-da!
We're finally starting on it. We're gonna make a list of what we're gonna do to it and what all it needs. So, but first, we go eat.
Put the two old guys doing this. Yeah, right. That makes sense.
You got it.
Well, as soon as you get the big pad out, it becomes official. 68 Fastback. So this is where it all starts, right here on this.
So what are we doing first, Gary?
Well, I think we're going to do a little inventory action and see where we are on this little jewel.
So we're gonna sit here and pull a bunch of parts out.
Pull parts out and see what we got.
See what we got.
See what we got. See what we got. See where we need to go.
All right. What are we doing, Gary?
Well, this is how it all begins. So we're gonna try to see what we have, inventory it by just throwing it back in a tub so we can see what we got. So
Because I can see everything is just
yeah, these things are in
in
tubs.
tubs.
So
At least they're labeled.
yeah, hood, vent cells. You look, ooh, look at that. See that 3 on the front? You know what that means? Type 3, Jack.
Let's see what we got in here. I'll just hand y'all stuff. Front marker lights.
What do we got in here? Light front and side.
What do you think those are?
I don't know what this is. Ooh, it's got a label.
No, those are for the front bumper. They're gonna go over those.
Front hood gasket.
Exterior.
We got a front hood gasket. There you go.
We got deck lid and hatch.
I don't know. You know what that seal is. I don't. It's just a
I
mist.
thought this was rubber seal.
There's a couple of those. Ooh, there's a deck lid seal, I believe. Isn't it?
Could be.
Let me see.
Ah.
I learned that from working at Home Depot in the paint department.
Oh.
When people would bring their paint cans back in,
Really?
and they couldn't figure out what it was, I would say, "I got this. Don't worry about it." I take the heater,
And it just goes.
and you can reread everything. That is a Home Depot tech tip.
All right. What we got here? Another big old seal. I don't know what that is.
Well, there's
It's gonna be a hood or a gasket.
rear hatch seal. Exactly what we needed to
Yep.
stop the water coming in.
We got front markers, I believe. That's one. Here's the other one right here.
Oh, nope, this is a kit.
Oh, is it? There is a,
Separate.
I don't know, some kind of drain tube or something. Show the people at home what it is. Maybe they can tell us what this stuff is.
Oh wait, it's got a part number on it.
So that's got to be some kind of drain.
311 type 3 201 179B. Oh,
It's the B version
it's,
though.
I bet you it's something to do with the deck lid drain or something. Maybe.
Oh, look at that. Brakes.
Brakes.
Brake pads. We got,
Brake pads for the,
there's either a hood or a,
I'm
that's
gonna,
either,
I'm gonna put this in the
Okay.
seal department.
hood or deck lid latch, one of the two, because I think it's got kind of a similar one on both. What is this?
this one actually looks like the
4 small screws.
Wow. Yeah, that goes with my back.
Oh, look at that though. Oh, there's 4. There. Black lug nuts. Nice.
How many you got total?
I don't know. Not enough.
4.
We got steering dampener bushing. Cool. That go on type 3? Yeah, it does. Front suspension. These appear to be.
Wipers.
What are these? Is that a ball joint?
Yep.
They ripped through a little bit. See it? I don't know. I don't think we need them, but. Oh God, I gotta sit down. And then we got something. I don't know what it is.
What are we gonna put on a wheel?
What is it? Oh, look at
I
there.
would say just
Look at that.
front brake.
Ooh, fancy.
Hitting this thing.
The Bambus tray with the little plaque.
Oh, impressive.
Yeah, he took the plaque off. This is what Gary has for a pocket knife. It is the tiniest little.
It's called the little
It's
squirt.
cute, isn't it? Isn't you call that cute for a pocket knife?
It's called a little squirt.
Here, someone's got to hold this. I can't cut. Hold the thing down.
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
It's got bolts. I heard a jingle. Jingle.
Something new. Oh,
Wow. What is that?
oh! It is all new hardware.
Oh,
Look at those.
Wow.
That is castle nuts, washers. What is
Oh,
this?
it's from the MasterCard, so he just ordered a bunch
One
of
pack or
stuff.
something.
What size are those? Yeah. 8-inch screws. That's cool.
Here's your.
Who likes it?
Full flow. Oh man.
Do we want to put that on there?
No.
Yeah.
No. So that goes whatever. I don't know.
You know what that goes into? Mr. Box.
Oh, we're starting Mr. Box.
Oh, they saw it here first, huh?
Oh, windshield washer reservoir.
That's a nice
What does that go into?
Wipers.
With wiper.
Left.
What we got? This is a glove box.
Interior.
Interior.
What else we got? We got weird stuff now.
Oh, compression tester.
This goes with this piece.
Ooh, look at that.
Here's the other part of your compression.
Press tester and
Carb
a carb
sinker. Mystery
sinker.
box.
Oh yeah.
Hey.
It's just heat.
I'll beep it. Electrical? Where's electrical at?
I think a relay. I got this at All Metric Garage.
No way! It's
Yeah.
really sweet. What do you think about this one?
Oh, I like that one a lot. Texas
Oh,
Junk
nice.
King.
Where should we go to get these things again?
Where should we go?
allmetricgarage.com. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us today. Martin, what do you think?
That's something. It's something.
She's so negative.
It's not a massive list to work on.
No, I was really happy with the list. Jake, what do you think?
You know, they say if you can't have a Type 1, which is a Beetle, and you can't have a Type 2, which is Bus, you get a Type 3, which is a Fastback, or Notchback, or Scoreback.
They do say that.
They do.
And a Type
They say
53
that.
is a Chicago rocket.
That's a new one.
What I think is that I think this is actually way more accomplishable than we thought, than I had in my head. I was been like, I really didn't want to do this, but it's really pretty cool. And when we get it buffed out and shiny, we're all going to be super excited with some gas burners on it. And just telling you, we'll be a little giddy over the whole thing. So.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to it because it's something we've never worked on. So we're like, when we're going through the boxes, we're going, hey, what's this? You know, so that was kind of fun. So stay with us. This is just the very beginning of the Fastback. It's transformation. We're excited to have you guys along here at VW Life. Please make sure that you do like and subscribe. That's a really big thing for us to keep building the channel, and check us out at All Metric Garage. Jake may jump out of your hood someday. You never know.
Oh,
It's possible. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. This is what it's all about, getting out together with your buddies and working on Volkswagens. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Thank y'all.
So we think we found the color of this car.
Yeah, we're gonna.
It is. Ooh, the label. Oh, the label's on there. So it's
Yeah, don't throw that away.
Arctic blue.
Atlantic.
So the best thing to paint,
let me see it again.
Atlantic blue.
Atlantic blue. Where did you get Arctic out of that?
So
Some people's children.
the best way to paint is you want to start out with a really good base.
Yeah.
Usually a white or something.
Yeah.
And what's whiter than Jake? A little more coverage there. Now let's see if it matches the car.
Oh, wow.
It does not match at all.